Hey everybody, today I'm going to walk you through and talk about what AnswerGarden is, and then walk you through how to go in and create one for your class or for your students. It's actually a really cool kind of feedback tool that can be used in real time to get your students kind of engaged in the lesson, and also be able to kind of come out and create kind of a cool little artifact. So moving forward, what exactly is AnswerGarden? It's actually something that I've never used before, but when we got this assignment to kind of do something new and come up with a trend that we're not really familiar with, I thought this would be a cool one because I've never used it, but it is something that I think is actually kind of cool. Typically, I use Poll Everywhere for in-class polls and things like this, but I think this would be kind of a cool little change up to that. So here you can read exactly what it is and what it's used for. I won't read it for you, but you can go through and look at that. And it's really easy to use. It's basically just as simple as one, two, three. So the easy steps are go to answergarden.ch slash create, or you can just go to answergarden.ch and then click on create, which I'll show you how to do that here in just a few seconds. Then once you're there, you just create a topic and question. You fill in the fields, and at the bottom of the page, right on that screen, you'll click submit, and then it'll take you to the page that your students will see and where they can input their answers. So let's go ahead and make one. So here you have the answergarden.ch homepage. This is the main page right here. So you can go in, and this is what I was talking about a little while ago about the create your own. So go into create, and then you can fill in the fields. So I already have one made, but I just want to go through and talk about the fields real quick. So this is the topic. So you can answer or enter your question or topic here. As you can see, the one that I have created is what constitutes the American dream. It's kind of along the lines of the Great Gatsby type discussion. So that's where you enter your question. Then you have other optional type modes here. So you have brainstorm, classroom, moderator mode, and then locked mode. And there's a description of each underneath, so I won't read those. But you can go in and look at those and kind of just pick out which one that you wanted. For this one, I chose classroom mode. Answer length, you can do either 20 characters or 40 characters if you want a little bit more length. That's completely up to you. You can do an admin password so you can get a link sent to you. Um, if you enter your email and that password, so that email would have the link to your answer garden, and then it'll also have your admin password if you want that. And then you can either turn on or off your spam filter. It just detects common or unwanted answers, so it's again up to you. It's optional. And then there's a case setting, so again, completely up to you. And then this one's interesting. This is add local discoverability. So this is for people who share a network. So for example, a school, you can have it discoverable for up to an hour, a day, a week, or you can have it completely hidden. So if there's a lot of traffic in your network, and a lot of people use AnswerGarden in your network, then maybe you want to go hidden. But that's again completely up to you. And then after that, you just hit create. So I'm not going to do that because I already have one. And I'm going to show you the one that I created here all the way up at the top. So once you hit create, it'll take you to this page. So this is a link with answergarden.ch, and then this number is what makes it specific to your answer garden. So what constitutes the American dream? And so students have access to this. This is what they look at. And then you can type your answer in here. So you can say material objects, and then you submit that, and then it pops right in and material objects. And then from there, I'm going to show you kind of the end result. So now we're going back to the home page, and this is an Answer Garden demo. So you can type in, and all the students will type in their answers, and then after a little bit, this is what you'll have. So all of the students can type in what they want, type in their answers, and then after a little bit, you'll have a really cool, kind of awesome word cloud that you're able to kind of manipulate, and maybe you can print it out and put it up in your classroom, or just use it to kind of stem classroom discussion. This is a really cool tool. Obviously, you can kind of get a really cool artifact out of it. I think students would be a little bit more engaged than just having a basic poll. This is something that they can see, that it's kind of tangible, and it's really cool, and interactive and engaging with them. And you can do it for any number of lessons, any number of subjects, obviously. And it's just a fun, quick way and an easy way to kind of ask a question to your students, have their answers directly in front of you, and then be able to see that, and then kind of move on from there and kind of expand the discussion a little bit from their quick answers. Um, so that is my screencast on Answer Garden. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys use Answer Garden in the future. I think it's a really cool, easy tool to use, and I'm definitely going to be using it in the future. So thanks again for watching.